So guys, this is the Christmas day in Thailand here. This is a celebration in my school. As you can see, these are the winners of the cards, and as you can see, the teachers are taking a picture with the winners. And here are the grades. And this is mine. This is mine. And this snowman has a broken nose, so they put it on the hat. See my board over there? I'm going to show you after this day take picture. Here, this is my card. And my card is the most unique here because I have a picture of Jesus. Others have Santa. Over here, they draw by themselves. See? In the hair. Yeah. See, they're very beautiful, right? So let's check what the other card looks like. For example, this card is like this. See, it can swing.
That's how the Thai people make their Christmas card.
That's how Thai people make their Christmas card.
You tell us, Matthew 1.
This is Matthew 1, grade 7, and this is Matthew 2 or grade 8, as you can see. Here is grade 9. Here is the inside of the winner, and there's the house too.
It's the first.
This is the first,
And then,
second,
huh?
second,
Second.
here. This
And this one,
is the DIY.
DIY, grade 10.
Yeah.
This is the first, do it yourself. And then, where's the second?
McDonald's.
This is the second.
KFC style.
And then this one is the third. And then, look at, and this is for grade
11. 11.
11. So this is the first
It's a sock.
song. And the second. And then the third,
It's a snowman.
snowman. And this is for grade
12.
12. So this is the first. And the second. No. This is the second. This is the third.
So guys, this is my card. As you can see, which one is the best? So I'm going. So comment down below. Here, this is my card. So I have 2 pages. Here, and this is the second. Finally, here. This is the pop up too, as you can see. There, this pop up. I have pop up, but it's not like jumpy, and I have Christmas here. It's a pop up too.
The third.
This is the third. Let's pop up too. And the rest is the consolation prize. Here this one beautiful too, but the inside is not. Is still okay.
The artistic. This one is beautiful. But I think this is surprise. Next is Matthew 2.
This is Matthew 2 or grade 8. Here's number 1. I already show you. And this is number 2. Here. Wow. This is number 3. These are the consolation prize. This has popped up. This is grade 8, grade 9.
Look at the house. Artistic.
This is number 2. Anh là cái này.
Thế đừng lấy đó.
Sao?
บวชห้องเนี่ยได้2บวชห้องได้2เกม
the DIY of grade 10.
เจ๋งมากเจ๋งมาก
And this is number 1. Just like, don't know what this thing called again. This is the hamburger case, and this is snowman with a funny eyes. These are the consolation prizes. And this is grade 11 or Matheum 5 in here. As you can see, this is the winner, the champion, and this is the second place. This is the Christmas tree inside the cup, and this is the third prize here. A cute snowman, and these are the consolation prizes. And this is grade 12. These are the winner, and this is the second place. I forgot what this thing called again, and this one too. And this is a Christmas tree that I can make, but I'll not do it, but I'll do it when I'll be grade 12. And these are the consolation prizes. And they are taking pictures, funny pictures. These are decorations from that the grade 12 did it. Here, this is another batch. These are the new batches of reindeers. So these are all grade 12 arts. Those are grade 12 results from doing this for the Christmas day. Are the snowmen. This is made from cups, and this is a Minecraft snow with a pumpkin head. This is a funny one. As over here, there's a decoration inside this snowman, and he's smiling too. These are the same, made from cups, made of cups, coffee cups. And this is the Santa. This one is combined the witch, and this one is the same too, combined with a magician. And these were made by grade 7, and here my classroom got number 2, and this is the winner, number 1. No, not that one, over there. And this is the third. This is the consolation prize that has no numbers. This is the. This one is very unique, but it will not be made this year. Yeah, it's Kurapika, but this classroom will win if it's Halloween. So it's not a bad idea to do that too. These are the winners of grade 8. The first is here. This is the first. This is the second, and this is the third. And this is next is the grade 9. This one is the most unique, but never mind. But it looks great. This is the third. This is the first, and this is the second. And this is the consolation prize for the grade 7, but not grade 8. Not grade 9. This is the grade 9 or 10. This is grade 10, and this is grade 11 and 12.
No winner.
No winner. Yeah, it's too good. Alright, so that's it for today. So see you next time.
Okay. Next, present or gift. Present or gift. Bingo? Not yet. Okay. Next is bell. Next is bell. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell ring. Bingo. Great.
Okay.
Bingo!
Video na, video. Hello.